eat.
So let's eat some samgyup Chinese edition.
Dip the meat here.
What's that? Soy sauce?
Sort of, yeah.
Okay.
And then you dip it into sugar.
Sugar.
And then after that,
Or you
cucumber.
take the sugar.
Cucumber, then
It's bad. I want one now.
wrap it.
and then
And then you put
oh,
cucumber.
it's like samgyup. Four degrees ngayon. Ang lamig.
Wala pang negative.
Ayan, Pop Mart. So tara, pasok tayo sa Pop Mart and check natin kung ano meron sa loob. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Shine ano to?
Shine Hills.
Shine Hills. Mall siya. Mga mall. So yan, bibili ng dami. Ayan, si Lola at si EJ. So gagala tayo ngayon dito sa Shine Hills.
Pwede naman. Pwede naman alisin ng
Pero
glass.
wala naman tayo mabibili dito. Kasi mahal. Sla. Ayan, may Tesla na car. Color red.
Pop Mart store.
May Pop Mart dito. Laki.
Dapat pala may mic ka, no?
4 degrees ngayon. Ang lamig.
Wala pang negative.
Ayan, Pop Mart. So tara, pasok tayo sa Pop Mart and check natin kung ano meron sa loob. Tara, let's go!
Oh. Should I get one now?
No. Can we go inside?
EJ, we're moving inside.
At last, it's hot in here. And guys, ang daming variants ng Pop Mart dito. Ayan, League of Legends. Cry Baby. Ito guys, SpongeBob na Labubu. Yeah, limited edition, Beijing na Labubu. Yes. Beijing guys, Pop Mart, yeah. Sad Club, Pop Mart. Ito naman, Space Molly. Ayan. So guys, lakad-lakad muna kami. Window shopping muna tayo dito sa Shine Hills Mall. Ayan. Dami nilang lights dito. Kaya siguro tinawag na Shine Hills. Let's stay here.
Okay, we'll take a video, Lola. So if ever we forgot. Or do you want us to stay?
So guys, iniwan muna namin si Lola kasi napapagod na maglakad. Saka may jet lag siguro. Ayan guys, Lululemon. Ayan, meron din silang ice skating dito. Ayan, never ko pa na-try yan kahit isang beses. Natatakot kasi ako sa blades, baka mahiwa ako. Ice skating, yeah. Ayan, Shine Hills. Lego, meron din dito. DJI. Niklo. Laki ng drone, no? Chow Tai po.
Yan.
Yeah, meron ding Huawei. Sikat yan dito guys, yan. Chinese brand kasi yan. Huawei. Miniso. Yung aso naihi. Oh. So tara, let's go to Miniso. Ayan, madami din toys dito. Ayan, Shin-chan, Gundam, tsaka Pooh. Ayan, Lotso. Hitpack guys, ayan. Kailangan natin yan dito kasi malamig. Sobrang lamig. Ito, Lotso Stop Toys, ayan. Sikat si Lotso dito guys, ayan. Dami. Pikachu. So yun guys, balik na kami for dinner. So tara, let's go. Kain na kami.
6.5%折优惠，欢迎您进店咨询。
Shine Hills. B.
Ano? Ayan. So, Christmas light pa rin dito. Pasko pa rin. Kaya tayo kakain ngayon. Hanap tayo ng mga kainan ng dinner.
No.
Yan. So, kakain tayo ng dinner ngayong gabi. Pero di ko pa alam kung saan. Ayun, may igloo.
Here.
So yun, dito pala tayo kakain ng dinner sa China lunch. Tara! Sorry guys, di ko na nabidyohan yung food sa sobrang gutom. Pero yan, mga Chinese food dito. Ayan, dumpling, sarap. Ito naman, kung pao. Yan, madaming sili. Ayun naman, roasted duck. Yan yung bestseller nila. Binabalot dun sa ano. Parang pambalot ng dumplings. Ito guys, bani chow ata tawag dito. Ayan, bread with curry. Ayan, sarap yan. So let's eat some samgyup Chinese edition. Right. First we will get the, what you call this?
Okay.
What do you call this?
Pancake.
A pancake? Or is it pita, I think?
So you see pancake?
And then the duck. Okay, the duck.
You get the skin duck.
Duck skin.
You get the meat.
The meat, okay.
Then you dip the meat here.
What's that? The soy sauce?
Sort of, yeah. And
Okay.
then you dip it into sugar.
Sugar.
And then after
Put
that,
it here.
you get this
What's that?
spring onion.
Oh, onion.
And
Color
You
red.
can dip it in the sugar agad. Or you
Cucumber.
take the sugar.
Cucumber, then
This.
It's better
What's
since
that?
it's sticky.
I don't know.
Put it here.
And then you
Wait,
just
I want one more.
wrap it.
wrap it, and then
And then you put
oh,
cucumber,
it's like samgyup,
then-
but Chinese edition.
And
Yeah.
then you can
I
put
get
this one, but I don't like that.
All right, let's try. Then duck. Then cucumber, sugar, no?
And get me ate.
Tas radish. Then sausaw natin sa sugar.
More sugar, EJ?
Yeah, but meat.
Ah, with the meat. Yeah.
Ina, make sure you don't eat
Yan, then
this.
spring onion. Yeah.
Tapos baliktad pa pala, no? Alam mo yung mga Chinese stock na tao, ayaw nila ng bala. Kasi kung mapakin, nakakataba daw yun. Kaya pagka kung mga Chinese stock, lahat wala sa akin.
So guys, ako naman, try natin.
Bigay mo. Ipel na lang.
Ito pa yung makukunin ko. Matagal maubos ko.
Chinese samgyup.
Ito, Shem.
This one. How many? This one. One.
Two's okay. This one not too many.
Why? Because it's spicy. Then grill up. It's very sticky.
Pwede na ito muna yan.
Then this. So yun guys, na-try na natin yung Chinese style na samgyup. Okay din siya. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Xie, zaijian.